Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Very good morning to you all. I hope you are enjoying your good health. Dear students, I am your social studies teacher and today is 8th of May 2021 and it's your second video lecture of social studies. Dear students, today we will discuss our May home task. If you haven't collected your May home task, kindly take it from your school. Dear students, this is your May home task. Before start your work, you have to fill the stamp very carefully. You have to write your name, your father's name and the section. After that, you have to read these instructions and then you have to start your work. You have to do your work very neatly and tidy. Use sharp pencil while you are working on your task. Okay students, now we are come to our topic. As you know, we have learned in our last session about the great personality of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and we learned about the major events in the life of Quaid-e-Azam. So today's your May home task is also related to the Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So we will have a look again on this topic. The great leader मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना. आपको जैसे कि पता है कि कायद-ए-आज़म पाकिस्तान के बानी थे, उन्होंने पाकिस्तान को बनाया था. His name was मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना. उनका असल नाम मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना था. He was called कायद-ए-आज़म because वो मुसलमानों के एक अजीम रहनुमा थे. वो मुसलमानों के एक अजीम रहनुमा थे. That's why he called Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born on December 25, 1876 in Karachi. Quaid-e-Azam मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना ने मैट्रिक का इम्तिहान बहुत आला नंबरों से हासिल किया. Then he went to England for the higher education. He returned to India as a barrister. जब वो पाकिस्तान वापस आए तो वो एक great barrister थे. Quaid-e-Azam said that there is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना ने कहा कि यहाँ पर कोई ताकत ऐसी नहीं है इस अर्थ पर जो कि पाकिस्तान को इस दुनिया से मिटा सके. He struggled, उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की for make a separate homeland for the Muslims. अब इसका रीज़न क्या था, अब इसकी स्टोरी क्या थी? Now have a look. पाकिस्तान और इंडिया दोनों इकट्ठे मिलकर एक ही जगह पर रहते थे और उस मुल्क को कहा जाता था सब कॉन्टिनेंट. ये कायद-ए-आज़म का ओल्ड घर है. She is the Fatma Ali Jinnah, his younger sister. He did also a lot of work for make a separate homeland with his brother. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah also thought that Hindu and Muslims unity, but after some time he realized that Muslims and Hindus are the separate nation. So for that he struggled a lot. He struggled that he make a separate homeland for the Muslims. First of all, انہوں نے ایک انڈین نیشنل کانگریس پارٹی کو جوائن کر لیا. اس کے بعد وہ مسلم لیگ کے بھی ممبر بن گئے. انہوں نے بہت اسٹرگل کی تاکہ وہ مسلم اور ہندو کو ایک ہی قوم بنا کر رکھیں. But due to the adverse attitude of Hindus, he left the Congress. جب انہوں نے دیکھا کہ کانگریس جسٹ ہندوز کے لیے کام کر رہی ہے تو انہوں نے کانگریس کو چھوڑ دیا. He appealed to the Muslims to unite and struggle for an independent homeland. انہوں نے مسلمانوں سے اپیل کی کہ وہ اسٹرگل کریں، وہ ایجوکیشن حاصل کریں تاکہ وہ اپنے لیے ایک آزاد ہوم لینڈ حاصل کر سکیں. اس کے لیے قائد اعظم محمد علی جناح نے بھی خود بہت زیادہ محنت کی. اینڈ ان دا ریزلٹ پاکستان came into being on August 14, 1947. مسلمانوں کی اور قائد اعظم کی بہت اسٹرگل کے بعد ہمیں ایک پیارا وطن پاکستان ملا جو کہ 14 اگست 1947 کو آزاد ہوا تھا. قائد اعظم پاکستان کے 1 سال کے بعد بہت بیمار ہو گئے اور 11 سپٹمبر 1948 کو اس دنیا سے وفات پا گئے. ان کی فوت ہونے پر تمام کے تمام پاکستانی بہت دکھی تھے. His great tomb lies in کراچی. ان کا مزار کراچی میں ہے. History of Pakistan will remember him as the father of nation. وہ ہمارے اس قوم کے نیشنل فادر ہیں جن کو تاریخ میں اور ہمیشہ یاد رکھا جائے گا. ہم ہمیشہ قائد اعظم کو ایز اے گریٹ لیڈر یاد رکھیں گے. Let's salute the man with the great vision. Thank you, قائد. His motto was unity, faith and discipline. ان کا موٹو تھا کہ یونٹی، سب سے پہلے اتحاد، فیتھ ایمان اینڈ ڈسپلن، اور ڈسپلن ہونا چاہیے. ایک قوم میں یونٹی ہونی چاہیے، فیتھ ہونا چاہیے اور ڈسپلن ہونا چاہیے، تبھی وہ ایک سکسیسفل نیشن بن سکتی ہے. اوکے اسٹوڈنٹس، اب ہم اپنے مئی ہوم ٹاسک کی طرف جاتے ہیں اور دیکھتے ہیں کہ ہمارے مئی ہوم ٹاسک میں کون کون سے کویسچنس ہیں. Have a look. The first question is, answer the following question. Who is the founder of Pakistan? The answer is Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. You will write the Quaid-e-Azam QUAID/E-AZAM, Quaid-e-Azam. Okay, now our second question is, when did Pakistan come into being? The answer is Pakistan came into being on 14th August 1947. پاکستان کب آزاد ہوا تھا، کب وجود میں آیا تھا؟ پاکستان came into being on 14 August 1947. Come will be changed into came. Okay. Now, our third question is, what was the real name of Quaid-e-Azam? So you will write his instead of Quaid-e-Azam. You will be not write the full name. You will just use the pronoun. His real name was Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Okay, then our next question is, what was Quaid-e-Azam motto? Then you will write again, his motto was unity, faith, discipline. Got it? His motto was unity, faith, discipline. After that, the last one is, when did Quaid-e-Azam born? He was born on 25th December 1876. So it is your first question which you have attempted. Now these are the full 5 questions. You can take the screenshot for your convenience. Okay, now have a look on the second question. Identify the picture and then write below. First one is Tomb of Quaid-e-Azam. पहला पिक्चर जो है वो Tomb of Quaid-e-Azam है. Got it? You will be the right TOMB Tomb, OF of QUAID Qaid, EAZAM Quaid-e-Azam. Okay? And the second picture is, you know very well, the second picture is flag of Pakistan. You will write full. You will write full. FLAG flag, OF of PAKISTAN flag of Pakistan. Got it? Okay. The next one is Quaid-e-Azam. The next picture is Quaid-e-Azam, QUAIDEAZAM, Quaid-e-Azam. The next picture is Quaid-e-Azam. And the last picture is Faisal Mask, FAISAL, Faisal, MOSQUE, mask. So you have to write full name, Faisal Mask. Got it? Okay, have a look again to all questions. आप दोबारा भी देख सकते हैं. Let I show you again for your convenience. Who is the founder of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. When did Pakistan come into being? Pakistan came into being on 14 August 1947. What was the real name of Quaid-e-Azam? His real name was Muhammad Ali Jinnah. What was Quaid-e-Azam motto? His motto was unity, faith, discipline. When did Quaid-e-Azam born? He was born on 25th December 1876. Now again you will write the name of these icons. First is Tomb of Quaid-e-Azam, second is Flag of Pakistan, third is Quaid-e-Azam, and fourth one is Faisal. Okay students, I am giving you some instructions which you have to follow very carefully. Students can use pencil only to complete the task. You are requested to guide your child to attempt task in her own handwriting. Must guide your child to complete task very neatly and do not tear the pages. Got it? Okay student, ये आपका होम टास्क था जो कि मैंने आपको क्लियर समझा दिया और मैंने आपको टॉपिक को अगेन पढ़ा दिया. फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आप सब ने अपना ख्याल रखना है, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना है, अपना काम अच्छे तरीके से करना है, अपने पेज होम टास्क के पेजेस को टेयर नहीं करना है, बहुत टाइडी वर्क करना है. सो टेक केयर ऑफ़ ईच अदर and take care of yourself for the next session and hope you will do your work very neat and tidy. and for the next session के लिए तब तक के लिए आप सबको अल्लाह हाफिज़ and goodbye.